Hello and welcome to Proofread Easy English Learning Platform. In today's class, we will study adverbs. So, what is an adverb? Simply put, adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. So, they're modifying three things. They're modifying verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. In most instances, they will be modifying verbs only, and in some instances, they will be modifying adjectives and adverbs. Mostly, they will be ending in ly, such as quickly, rapidly, smartly, but in some cases they might not be ending in ly, and we will see those instances in subsequent part of this lecture. Now look at this example. He quickly finished his lunch and left for the office. Now finished is the verb here. Quickly is the adverb modifying the word finished. So this shows that the lunch was finished quickly. This is how the lunch was finished, in a quick manner. He dealt the fraudster sternly. So the fraudster was dealt sternly. Now sternly is modifying the verb dealt. Sometimes adverbs are confused with adjectives because some adjectives also end in ly, but they should not be confused with adjectives. Like in this example, I had to walk to the office in this extremely hot weather. Now hot weather is a noun phrase and it's a noun, and extremely is an adjective modifying this noun phrase. Like the weather was extremely hot. So extremely in this case is an adjective, it's not an adverb, because his car was stolen. Adverb clauses, as we all know, that a clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb, and sometimes an entire clause functions as an adverb. As in this example, I will take you for lunch once I'm done with this work. Once I is the subject here, am is the auxiliary verb, done is the verb, and with this work is the adverbial part of this sentence, this clause in fact. So this entire clause is modifying the verb take. You will be taken for lunch once I am done with this work. So this entire clause, we can call it an adverb clause because it is functioning as an adverb in this entire sentence. Like I just told you, that adverbial phrase is a phrase that will have a subject but not a verb, and in some cases prepositional phrases are frequently used as adverbial phrases, like I live in Manhattan. In Manhattan, now this is indicating the place I'm living in is a preposition and in Manhattan is a prepositional phrase, and this is serving as an adverbial part of this sentence, the adverbial element of this sentence. I live in Manhattan. So where are you living in? Live is being modified by this prepositional phrase, which is serving as the adverbial element of this sentence. I live in Manhattan. An infinitive phrase, we all know infinitive is the to form of the verb. An infinitive phrase, and let me remind you that an infinitive is usually a gerund form of the verb. It is not the main verb in the sentence. An infinitive phrase to can act as an adverbial, as in this case, I rushed to see him in the hospital. So this is the to see him in the hospital is the adverbial element of the sentence. Rushed is the verb in this case, and rushed is being modified by this adverbial phrase, to see him in the hospital. Look at this example. I will take control of things slowly and gradually. Control will be taken slowly and gradually. So take is being modified by this adverbial phrase, slowly and gradually. Like we earlier said that adverbs modify adjectives, it should be kept in mind that adjectives do not modify adverbs. As in this example, we can say he is quite a talented student, but we can definitely not say that he is talented quite a student, because quite is modifying a talented student, but talented being an adjective cannot modify the adverb quite. And like adjectives, adverbs too have comparative and superlative forms. For example, fast is an adverb, and its comparative and superlative forms will be faster and fastest. Faster is the comparative form and fastest is the superlative form. Like we saw in the case of adjectives, more or less are used as the comparative and superlative forms. Same goes for adverbs. Speak to him more loudly. Loudly is modifying the verb speak, and loudly in this case is an adverb, and more loudly is serving as the comparative form of the adverb loudly. So more loudly means in a more louder manner. Sometimes adverbial comparisons are made using the as construction. I cannot be as quick as in quick. In this case, is an adverb, and it shows that someone is quicker than me and I cannot be as quick as him. So this is a form of an adverbial comparison. And while we said that sometimes there are adverbs that end in ly but only in an informal context. For example, when I say fast, faster, fastest. Now I can also say fastly, but fastly will be considered informal formal context. And we will not be using fastly in the formal context. And, adverbs, like adjectives, intensify, amplify, or tone down verbs. So if you want to emphasize a verb or a higher degree of verb or a lesser degree of verb, you will be using adverbs to do that. And like adjectives, they can have pre-modifiers. For example, he managed to complete the project relatively cheaply. Now, relatively in this case is a pre-modifier for the adverb cheaply. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you for watching. If you liked this lecture, please like and subscribe to this channel, as this helps the Proofread Easy English Learning platform in preparing more videos like this. You can also visit us at www.proofreadeasy.com.